blocking the camera's mic is a no-no. Get yourself a decent recorder and a proper mic. Oh, and make sure it's pointing at where the sound's coming from. This shot's far too bright. Whoa, too far the other way. Make sure nothing in your shot's overexposed and light the things that are underexposed, which brings us to... There's a whole load of ways you can use lighting, but a good jump-off point is your simple 3-point setup. Oh, and make sure your white balance is set correctly too. To avoid banding like this, set the camera to match the lighting before you start. In the UK, set it to 25 or 50 frames per second, and you're good to go. Make sure your audio is mixed properly. If people can't hear... Oh, sorry about that. Make sure your audio is properly mixed. If people can't hear the dialogue, they'll switch off.